How to turn on dark mode in OneNote. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in OneNote. So to get started, go ahead and open OneNote on your device. And then once you're on OneNote, click on the file button at the top left of your screen. And then under that, you'll be able to find this options button. Click on this. And then from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and head over into the General tab. And then from here, go ahead and find the Office theme drop down. So you'll find it under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. So click on it and then select dark mode from here. So select dark gray and then click on OK. So once this is back into your notebook, you'll be able to view this in dark mode. And that is how you can basically turn on dark mode in OneNote. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.